Hello everyone, and welcome to the Sukarimba channel. This time, you will see some videos featuring modern machinery and the skills of the workers. Let's get started. Here is one of our videos, a unique excavator that can stand like a spider, featuring independent hydraulic legs capable of adjusting its position on the most extreme terrain. This is a modern cookie-making machine capable of producing various shapes with speed and precision. By simply changing the mold and adjusting the machine settings, the dough can be shaped into a variety of designs to meet specific requirements. This lawn mower features a unique and practical design. Powered by a gasoline engine, it cuts grass quickly and delivers a neat finish. Guide wheels enhance stability, allowing the operator to work with less effort and greater efficiency. The roof of this house is not merely a shelter against heat and rain, but also an eco-friendly power generator. Solar panels are neatly installed on the roof to capture sunlight and convert it into electrical energy for daily use.